The UK border and immigration system has become digital. An eVisa is a digital record of your identity, your immigration permission in the UK, and any conditions which apply. You can access it by signing into your UK Visas and Immigration or UKVI account. If you need to prove your immigration status to an employer, landlord, or other organisation, this video shows you how to do it. Once you have received your eVisa, you can use the View and Prove service in your UKVI account to view your eVisa online at any time. Check what you can do in the UK. Get a share code so you can securely share your identity and immigration permission with employers, landlords, and other organisations. How to use the View and Prove service. You can only use the View and Prove service if you have a UKVI account. If you do not have one, go to gov.uk/eVisa and follow the instructions on how to create an account. To use the View and Prove service, go to gov.uk/eVisa and sign in using your UKVI account details. To sign in, you will need the details of the identity document you used to create your UKVI account, or if an account has been created for you as part of your visa application, you will need your UKVI customer number, and your date of birth, and the mobile number or email address you used to access your account. After you sign in, you can view your eVisa and check what rights you have in the UK. Sharing your immigration status. To share your immigration status or identity, select Get a Share Code on the eVisa page. It is important you choose the right reason for sharing. To prove your right to work. To prove your right to rent in England. To prove your identity or immigration status for anything else. The reason you choose controls what information is shared. For example, a share code to prove your right to work cannot be used for right to rent, study or benefits, or to prove your identity to open a bank account. When you give a share code to an organisation, they can only see the information for that share code. They cannot access your account. Once you've chosen the right reason for sharing and clicked Continue, you can preview what the person checking your status will see. Then select Create a Share Code and it's ready for sharing. You can make a note of the share code or email it to yourself or to someone else. You can get as many share codes as you need, whenever you want. Consider getting your share code in advance of proving your immigration status, in case you have limited access to your device or mobile network. For privacy, a share code is only valid for 90 days from when it is issued, and can be used as many times as needed within that period, as long as your information stays the same. If your personal details or immigration status change, you will need to create a new share code. If a code expires, you can get a new one. Make sure you choose the right reason for sharing. You do not need to reprove your status every 90 days. The person checking your status can use the relevant online checking service. They need your date of birth and your share code. Some government bodies, such as the National Health Service, NHS, or the Department for Work and Pensions, DWP, can usually confirm your status automatically. In these cases, you will not normally be asked for a share code. Your eVisa is linked to your passport or travel document. When you travel, carriers and border force can check your immigration status automatically. This means it is important to keep your current passport or travel documents and contact details up to date in your UKVI account. If your details are not up to date, you will experience delays or difficulties when travelling to or from the UK, and a carrier may deny you boarding. If you need help with your UKVI account, including accessing your eVisa and proving your rights, go to gov.uk/eVisa.